So, very good morning. So today we will talk cutting temperature and cutting fluid. So, in the previous class, I have talked that during machining, during removal of materials from workpiece, so during removal of material from workpiece in the form of chips. So, and this material is removed from workpiece in the form of chips, and chips will actually uh, contact chips will contact with the workpiece. Chips will contact with the surface of the tool, um, and air is here deformation occurs. Okay, so as the chip will contact with the surface of the tool, so a friction will generate, and due to this friction, the heat will generate. Okay, uh, and even uh, material remove हो रही means या एक plastic deformation हो रही है. Okay, so this is actually shear deformation. The material actually removed by the shear deformation of the material or of the workpiece. Okay, so as here shear deformation occurs, so due to this shear deformation, the actually heat is converted to sorry energy is converted to heat energy. Okay, so actually during machining or during removal of material from workpiece in the form of chips, uh, at that time the heat will generate. Okay, and just to see here the color is changes means the red color means is the highest temperature. So at that zone, maximum temperature will generate. Uh, this is due to the shear deformation, and similarly here in this zone also, uh, this is due to the contact between the chips and the surface of surface of this tool. Okay, so due to this friction or rubbing, the heat will generate here, and in this portion here also the heat will generate due to the contact between
Good morning,
this
sir.
surface of this tool. Yes, so this surface of this tool and this finished surface of the workpiece. जो finished surface में जाए, so this finished surface and this surface means due to contact between these surfaces, these two surfaces, a heat will generate here also. So, what happened in this case? To minimize this temperature, cutting fluid is required. Okay, so here just to see here, so this is the drilling process. So in case of drilling process also, the heat will generate, and to minimize this heat, okay, here the cutting fluid supplying. Okay, the cutting fluid supply करें to minimize the heat. Means this heat will actually uh, removed away from here. यहाँ से जो cutting fluid supply कर रहा हूँ और heat minimize कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Now, so how this temperature will develop? So, means this cutting temperature, how this cutting temperature will develop. So, uh, this during machining, heat is generated at the cutting point from three sources. Three sources means just see here. This is the source one or region one. So this is called the primary shear zone. So primary shear zone means this zone actually within this zone. So here the actually material is removed. So this is actually the workpiece. So actually, this is the workpiece. So from this workpiece, the material is removed in the form of chips like this. Okay, as a chips in nickel. So chips, the material is removed. So how this material removed? The material is removed how to by shearing deformation, shearing of this material. So as the shearing occurs, so whatever here energy is converted to heat energy. Okay, and so this is the primary zone or shear zone. So this is called the primary zone or zone one or shear zone. Okay, this one. And these sources and another source of heat is in this zone. So this is called the second zone, means secondary zone. So in this zone, how the heat will generate? So this in this zone, the heat will generated due to the friction or rubbing between these chips and the surface of this tool. The tool is surface is the surface uh, and this chips. So chips will actually contact with this surface of this tool. Okay, so here rubbing between the chips and tool will occurs, and for that reason, uh, the heat will generate. Okay, so this is the zone two or secondary zone, and third zone. So third zone is this is the third zone. So here the tool face, this tool flank, and this finish surface. Okay, this finished surface of the workpiece. So this finished surface of the workpiece will contact with each other, and they are also rubbing between this tool face and the workpiece, finished workpiece surface. Uh, Due to this rubbing, air also heat will generate. So there are actually three zone of heat. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, okay. So, the development of temperature in machining. So, there I told mainly three zone are there. Yeah, so one is due to the shear in this zone. Another is the rubbing between these chips with this tool face in this face, and another is the rubbing between the finished surface with the tool flank. Okay, so the distribution of heat depends on the configuration, size, and thermal conductivity of the tool, work material, and the cutting condition. Means this the distribution of this heat depend on the uh, size and the thermal conductivity of the tool. Means if the thermal conductivity of the tool is more, then this generated heat will transfer very rapidly. Okay, and the cutting condition also. Cutting condition means depth of cut, speed, and velocity. Okay, so if a depth of cut and velocity and speed are more, then more heat will generate. Okay, or more cutting temperature will generate. 10 to 20% of the total heat goes into the tool, and some heat is absorbed in the blank. Means only 10 to 20% of the total heat, means जितना heat generate हो रही है also only 10 to 20% of that total heat goes to the tool, and uh, only 10 to 20% of that total heat will transfer to the tool. Okay, and the rest means 80 to 90% of the total heat will go to the uh, blank means वर्कपीस मटेरियल मीन्स मैक्सिमम जो हीट जनरेट हो रही है वो वर्कपीस के ऊपर ट्रांसफर होगी, एंड मिनिमम मीन्स 10 to 20% हीट ट्रांसफर होगी टू द टूल मटेरियल. ओके, With the increase of cutting velocity, the share of heat by chip increases. So, means if the cutting velocity is increased, then what happen? Uh, the share of the heat by chip increases. So, so, uh, जो हीट is distribute हो रही है, so this distributed of heat to the chips will be more, means chip में ज़्यादा heat share होगी. Okay, and heat is shared by the tool and blank decreases. means blank and tool में जो heat share हो रही है उसमें कम है. Okay, so if the cutting speed is more, then maximum heat will share by the chips, and the heat shared by the hard tool and blank will decrease. तो इसे अगर चिप्स में ज़्यादा हीट शेयर होगा तो दिस इज एक्चुअली फिजिबल, क्योंकि चिप्स से मटेरियल से क्या हो रही है, दिस चिप्स विल एक्चुअली रिमूव फ्रॉम द वर्कपीस एंड एक्चुअली रिमूव अवे, मीन्स और वर्कपीस से रिमूव हो जाएगी. तो दिस चिप्स आफ्टर रिमूव चिप टूल के साथ कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं रहेगा. ओके, so what happens? So maximum heat जो generate हो रही है, this heat will remove away from the remove away from that zone by the chips. Okay. Effect of high cutting temperature on the tool and workpiece. So what are the effects on this? What are the effect if the cutting temperature is more high, then what will affect on the tool and workpiece? टूल एंड वर्कपीस में क्या इफेक्ट होगी अगर कटिंग टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा जनरेट होगी तो. ओके, so effect of heat here, effect of high cutting temperature is detrimental to both the tool and the workpiece. Means, both the workpiece and tool के लिए high cutting temperature is very detrimental, very effective. So how this high cutting temperature will affect the tool and workpiece? And so if the cutting temperature is more, then what happens? The tool may get softened. Tool soften, tool soft हो जाएगी. Okay, and if if the tool gets softened, then what happens? The cutting edges of the tool may break suddenly, or the sharpness of the cutting edge of the tool get lost. So you get lost. Okay. So actually, high cutting temperature is very detrimental to both the tool and workpiece. And how this high temperature is very detrimental for the workpiece, because if more temperature is generated, then the workpiece will expand and contraction. So क्या होगी ना, वर्कपीस जो वर्कपीस में अगर ज़्यादा हीट जनरेट होगी तो ड्यू टू दिस heat, the workpiece will expand, and due to the cooling, the workpiece again contraction. So expansion and contraction will uh, happen in the workpiece. Means workpiece में expansion and contraction होगी. तो expansion contraction होगी means workpiece में distortion होगा. Okay. So the major portion of the heat is taken away by the chip, जो मैंने कहा. मीन्स अगर cutting speed ज़्यादा होगी, then what happen? In general, the maximum heat जो generate होगी, so this maximum heat actually taken away by the chip. Means chip this chips में transfer होगी maximum heat, and actually chip actually वापस से remove हो जाएगी. तो और इसमें remove होगी means this जो जनरेट हीट जनरेट हो रही है वो हीट से चिप पे वो हीट लेकर मीन्स रिमूव होगी. बट इट डज नॉट मैटर बिकॉज चिप आर थ्रोन अवे, मीन्स चिप तो बाहर आ जाएगी. तो अगर ज़्यादा हीट चिप में ट्रांसफर होगा तो दिस विल नॉट एनी क्रिएट वेरी वेरी big issue. Okay. So attempts should be made such that the chips take away more and more amount of heat and leaving a small amount of heat to harm the tool and workpiece. So means means during cutting ऐसे एम होना चाहिए जो मैक्सिमम हीट थ्रू चिप ट्रांसफर होना चाहिए. Okay, so अगर two chips maximum heat transfer होगी तो only a small amount of heat remains and this small amount of heat will transfer to the tool and RP. So less amount of harm will occur at the tool and RP. Okay, so the effect of the high cutting temperature on so what are the effects on this on the effect of high cutting temperature on cutting tool. So if this cutting temperature is more, means अगर cutting temperature ज़्यादा होगी तो what will happen? So then rapid tool wear occurs, means tool will wear out very rapidly because the tool tip or tool edges will soften due to the high temperature. High temperature के लिए tool यूज कर रहे हो और टूल सॉफ्टन होगी एंड वेरी रैपिडली वो वायर आउट होगी. ओके, व्हिच रिड्यूसेस द टूल लाइफ. अगर टूल वायर ज़्यादा होगी तो टूल लाइफ भी घट जाएगी. Plastic deformation of the cutting edges if the if the tool material is not enough to work hard or hot strong. So if the tool metal is not enough to hot hard, means mainly जो मटेरियल हॉट सॉफ्टन होती है, मीन्स अगर हीटिंग करेंगे तो मटेरियल सॉफ्ट हो जाती है. ओके, तो अगर सॉफ्ट होगी मीन्स इजीली प्लास्टिक डिफॉर्मेशन होगी. तो इजीली प्लास्टिक डिफॉर्मेशन मीन्स अगर कटिंग टूल ड्यू टू मशीन के लिए जो हीट जनरेट हो रही है, so this heat due to this heat the cutting tool will get softened and the uh, cutting edge cutting edge wire out hole. Thermal fracturing of the cutting edges due to the thermal shock. तो मैंने पिछले क्लास में बताया था थर्मल शॉक मीन्स सडनली थर्मल एनर्जी अगर किसी मटेरियल में ट्रांसफर होगी देन दिस मटेरियल कैन ब्रेक सडनली. लाइक ग्लास अगर ग्लास में अगर hot water you put the hot water in glass, then this glass will break suddenly. So this is called the thermal shock. So the tool cutting tool is what is. So in this cutting tool can also get thermal shock due to the high cutting temperature. Okay, built up edge formation. If this cutting temperature, if the cutting temperature is more high, then there may chances of getting built up edge formation. So built up edge form होने के chances ज़्यादा हो. Okay, तो built up edge मैंने बताया था what is built up edge. Now, what are the effects of cutting temperature on machine work? Means machine work इसमें क्या effect होगी if this cutting temperature is more. तो कटिंग टेम्परेचर अगर ज़्यादा होगी तो देन मटेरियल एक्सपांशन होगी. सो एक्सपांशन होगी मीन्स डायमेंशनल एक्यूरेसी नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, सो डायमेंशनल इन एक्यूरेसी ऑफ द वर्क मीन्स डायमेंशनल एक्यूरेसी नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, of is due to the thermal distortion and the expansion contraction. Okay, surface damage by high oxidation, rapid corrosion, burning, etc. means अगर मटेरियल हीट अगर कटिंग टेम्परेचर अगर ज़्यादा होगी देन सरफेस ऑफ द वर्क पीस इज में डैमेज. इवन ऑक्सीडेशन में होगा मीन्स हाई टेम्परेचर ऑक्सीडेशन भी हो सकती है एंड रैपिड कोरोशन भी हो सकती है एंड बार्निंग ऑफ द सरफेस भी हो सकती है. ओके, induction of tensile residual stresses and micro cracks at the surface. मैंने कहा मीन्स अगर टेम्परेचर कटिंग टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होगी देन मटेरियल एक्सपांशन होगी एंड ड्यू टू कूलिंग से अप्लाइड ऑफ कटिंग फ्लूइड तो कूल होगी देन सो दिस एक्सपांस ड्यू टू कूलिंग कंट्रक्शन होगी so this expansion contraction is a tensile residual stress generated and ultimately micro crack will generate and the workpiece is in the workpiece surface micro crack can generate. Okay, so these are the effects of
Sir,
high cutting temperature on tool workpiece. Yes.
sir, in case of high cutting temperature, sir, it might affect the dimensions of material
Yes.
also, sir.
Yes, yes. So if the cutting temperature is more, then what happen? The workpiece or material will expand. Okay, so there may be a dimensional inaccuracy. Means accurate dimension नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, okay. जो मैंने बताया, so this point, so dimensional inaccuracy of the workpiece due to thermal distortion. Thermal distortion means thermal distortion कैसे होगी? Means material expansion होगी due to heating, due to high temperature. Okay, and as the cutting fluid they are using means cutting fluid is usually so the earth is also get cooled. So, due to this heating and cooling, thermal expansion and contraction occurs. And so, due to heating, expansion occurs, and due to cooling, contraction occurs. So, this expansion contraction can distort the material, and ultimately dimensional inaccuracy will get. Okay, understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So now how you determine the cutting temperature? So how we determine? So first magnitude of the cutting temperature need to be known or calculated or evaluated to facilitate the following. Means this means how much cutting temperature are generated. So this magnitude of the cutting temperature have to be calculated for the following facilities or following purpose. So, so like the assessment of machinery, which is judged mainly by cutting force and temperature and tool life. So means कितना टेम्परेचर जनरेट हो रही है ड्यू टू कटिंग ऑपरेशन. So this will actually charge means how the cutting force will be required means cutting force से कितना जरूरत होगी टेम्परेचर कितना variant tool life actually mainly the tool life means अगर ज़्यादा means high cutting temperature will generate then tool life also decrease. Okay, and if the cutting temperature will more generate then there will be means variation of cutting forces. Okay, so to uh, so that's why the determination of cutting temperature is required. Okay. Another is design and selection of cutting tools means according to the cutting temperature means how much cutting temperature is generated. So according to this, you can design or select the appropriate cutting tools. Design means different means the cutting tool geometry. So means making of cutting tool geometry. Actually, this cutting tool geometry also affect the effect on the generation of this cutting temperature. Okay, means different angles like rake angle, back angle, so even the nose radius, all this tool geometry will affect on the cutting temperature. Okay, so So according to the cutting temperature, कितनी cutting temperature हो रही है, so according to that you can design and select the appropriate cutting tools. So, evaluate the role of a variation of the different machining parameters on cutting temperatures. Means different machining parameters means, according to the cutting temperature, कितना cutting temperature generate हो रही है. So according to that, you can select the different cutting parameters. So cutting parameters like heat, depth of cut, velocity. Okay, mainly these three cutting parameters. Okay. Proper selection and application of the cutting fluid. So this is also important, means how much it will generate. According to this, we will select the appropriate cutting fluid, and we have to apply that appropriate cutting fluid. Okay. Analysis of the temperature distribution in the chips, tool and job. So the temperature generatory. So this temperature, how this temperature will distribute to the chip. चिप में कितना टेम्परेचर ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही है, टूल में कितना टेम्परेचर ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही है, इवन पार्क पीस जो मशीन पर था उसमें कितना टेम्परेचर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रही है. So this analysis can be done if you know the how much temperature is how much cutting temperature is generated. Okay. So mainly, these are actually most important temperature. And is four different temperatures like theta s. Theta s is the average CR zone temperature. Means जो मैंने देखा है CR zone में जो temperature आ रही है, so the temperature the actually the average temperature at that CR zone. Okay, so this is the theta s. So this theta s can be determined. Theta I in the average and maximum temperature at the chip tool interface. So chip tool interface means secondary zone. जो secondary zone में बताते हैं, तो secondary zone में कितना temperature हो रही है उसकी average. And theta f. Theta f is the temperature at the work tool interface. Work tool interface means tool flanks and the finish surface. The finish surface and tool flanks means third zone. Third zone मैंने जो देखा था, so at that third zone कितना temperature हो रही है उसकी average. Okay. And theta average is the average cutting temperature, means जो three different zone में temperature में थी, so the average of that three zone temperatures. Okay. So to determine this cutting temperature, mainly two type of methods are there. One is analytically and another is experimental. So both by analytically and experimentally, we can determine the how much temperature is generated or how much cutting temperature is generated. Okay. So analytically means using mathematical model. So in this case, some equations are there. So by using these equations, mathematical model can determine. Means, in this model, actually, there are various parameters like feet, depth of cut, velocity, cutting materials, tool materials. Okay, so depth of cut. All the parameters are there in this model, and by using this model, you can analytically get the value that this mass cutting temperature may generate for this cutting condition. Okay, but this method is simple, quick, and inexpensive, but less accurate and precise. So this is actually simple, means just if you मॉडल वंस टाइम इनसे अगर एक बार मॉडल हो जाएगी तो देन यू कैन फॉलो दिस मॉडल फॉर द for the same material, same cutting tool, same cutting condition. This is quick, means just you format one model and follow for the same cutting conditions, so same cutting material, same cutting tools. Okay, दिस इज इनएक्सपेंसिव क्योंकि इसमें कोई मेजरमेंट करने के लिए जरूरत इंस्ट्रूमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, जस्ट मॉडल मॉडल करनी है. बाय यूजिंग दिस मॉडल you can get the average cutting temperature कितनी हो रही है. बट दिस इज लेस एक्यूरेट, मीन्स एक्यूरेट नहीं होगी क्योंकि ये मॉडल है. ये फिजिकली कितनी हो रही है वो पता नहीं चलेगा. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस इज वेरी मीन्स लेस एक्यूरेट एंड प्रिसाइज. But experimentally method, this method is very more accurate, precise, and reliable. Means and physically कितनी हो heat generate हो रही है. By experimental method you can get the value. Okay, clear? Hello,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So now, experimental method. Experimental method for. Okay, thank you. So now experimental method for determining the
Hello.
cutting temperature. So
Hello.
in this experimental method generally provide the average or maximum value of the cutting temperature. And the average value or maximum value. Maximum कितनी temperature, cutting temperature कितनी cutting temperature generate हो रही है. Okay. Some techniques also give a distribution of the temperature in the tiers, tools, jobs, and the cutting zone. Means some experimental methods are there. From this experimental method, you can get that how the heat is distributed to the tiers. Means इसमें कैसे heat distribution हो रही है and how the heat is distributed to the tool में कैसे distribution हो रही है and also how the heat is distributed to the workpiece material at that cutting zone. जो different जो three zones मैंने बताया, so at that in the three different zones, so how the heat is transmitted to the shears, tools, and workpiece material. Okay, so by some experimental method, we can get also this information. Okay. The possible experimental methods. These are two possible experimental methods. One is a calorimetric method. So this is very simple and very low cost method, but inaccurate as compared to the other methods. So like decolorizing agent or other methods are like that, like tool work, thermocouples. Moving thermocouple techniques, embedded thermocouple techniques. So these are different experimental methods to calculate the cutting temperature. Okay. So decolorizing agent means some paint are used, and this paint actually change their color. We change in color with variation of the temperature. Means the work piece जो cutting zone है, cutting जो different three different zone में this you have to paint this paint. Okay, at that different cutting zones and according to the temperature variation, the color of this paint will vary. Means तो फास्ट स्लाइड में मैंने शो किया था, तो कलर वेरिएशन हो रही है. तो फ्रॉम ब्लू टू येलो, येलो टू ग्रीन, देन रेड, तो ऐसे कलर वेरिएशन होगी. ओके, so according to this variation you will get the information that at that zone the temperature is about this, at that zone the temperature is about this, and the heat, how the heat will distributed from um, that three different zones to the chips or tools or the workpiece. Okay. Another experimental method is tool or thermocouple. So tool or thermocouple means this method is very simple method, inexpensive method, simple and inexpensive, but gives only the average or maximum value. Means इसमें एक thermocouple attached रहेगी and by this thermocouple will get the will get the reading of the heat, means how much heat is converted. Okay. तो इसमें एक थर्मोकपल रहेगी, तो इस थर्मोकपल से पता चलेगा कितना हीट जनरेट हो रही है. ओके. मूविंग थर्मोकपल टेक्निक. तो इसमें मूविंग थर्मोकपल मीन्स इसमें थर्मोकपल रहेगी, बट इन दिस केस द थर्मोकपल कैन मूव, मीन्स मूव फ्रॉम जोन 1 to जोन 2 जोन 3 ऐसे, मीन्स डिफरेंट जोन में ये this thermocouple can move. And you will get the different temperature at the different zones individually. Okay, embedded thermocouple technique using a compound tool indirectly from hardness and structural transformation. Photocell techniques, infrared detection techniques. So these are actually different experimental techniques there. So you have not to go to the details of this uh, all these experimental techniques. Just you have to know the so 3 to 4 first 3 to 4 experimental technique like a calorimetric method, QEEG, decolorizing agent, thermocouple, tool of thermocouple, moving thermocouple. Okay. Role of machining parameters. This cutting temperature. And so, what are the role of cutting conditions? So, cutting parameters on this cutting temperature. So, the magnitude of the cutting temperature is influenced by the machining parameters like the work material. So, work material means what property of work material, the specific energy requirement. कितना specific energy required for it due to cutting. So according to this means the cutting temperature, means how much the cutting temperature will generate. This will depend also on the specific energy requirement of the workpiece material. Okay, ductility of the material. Ductility material means if the material is more ductile, then obviously less amount of cutting temperature is generated, because in this case the material will easily cut. Material easily cut only. Other ductile material means like aluminum material. I can cut the aluminum material very easily compared to the steel. Thermal properties. So means thermal properties of the material also means this cutting temperature also depends on this the thermal properties of the workpiece material. Process parameters means uh, process parameter means like cutting velocity, feed, depth of cut जो मैंने बताया. And if this cutting velocity, feed, and depth of cut are more than what will happen at on the cutting temperature. So if the cutting velocity is more, then obviously the cutting temperature is more. Feed, depth of cut. Okay. So 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 the cutting temperature also depends upon the process parameters like cutting velocity, feed, and depth of cut. ठीक है। अगर उसको कटिंग वेलोसिटी feed and depth of cut increase, then cutting temperature will more cutting temperature will enhance. The third one is cutting tool materials, means what type of cutting tool material are you using, and like a thermal properties, means thermal properties कितनी है, fire resistance कितनी है, chemical stability कितनी कैसी है. So according to this, uh, means cutting temperature generate होगी. So means these parameters so this cutting tool parameters will also affect on this uh, cutting temperature. Tool geometry जो मैंने बताया, so this tool geometry also affect on the cutting temperature, so generation of the cutting temperature, like tool geometry means like a rake angle, cutting edge angle, lens angle, nose radius. So means if the nose radius is more than cutting temperature will less or more uh, rectangle. If the positive rectangle is more, then obviously and less cutting temperature will generate because the heat will easily flow from the rake surface. Okay, cutting edge angle. If the cutting edge angle is more and less, so what will happen in the cutting temperature? So means all these parameters will affect on the cutting temperature. Cutting fluid means which type of cutting fluid are you using, and the method of application means the cutting fluid applied for you. So how this cutting fluid uh, are applied. So this also affect on the cutting temperature. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is the simple equation. So means role of measuring parameters means how this how cutting temperature or cutting generation of the cutting temperature will depends on different machining cutting velocity means VC, S naught. Please off your microphone. Off your microphone. Okay. So these are different process parameters like cutting velocity BC, feed S naught, depth of cut T, okay, rake angle Y, cutting angle, clearance angle alpha, nose radius R. So how this will depend on the cutting temperature. So here theta is the cutting temperature. Okay. So this VC is the cutting velocity. Okay. S naught is the feed. T is the depth of path. So if VC will more, means if this value VC will more, means cutting velocity will more, then what happen? This theta I will more, means theta I भी ज़्यादा होगी, means cutting temperature जो होगी, so this cutting temperature will be more. Means बाकी जो means if all the parameters are remain constant, बाकी जो पैरामीटर है अगर वो कांस्टेंट रहेगी and if you increase this VC, this means cutting temperature, then theta I will more. Okay, from this relation है ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you increase the R value, then what will happen? अगर R मैंने increase करूँगा, R means nose radius. Nose radius, if you increase the nose radius, then this theta will more or less. Hello?
Sir, less I think.
Yes, if R is more, then theta I is less, means जो कटिंग टेम्परेचर जनरेट होगी वो ज़्यादा होगी और कम होगी, मीन्स दिस कटिंग टेम्परेचर will be more or less.
More.
Cutting temperature, this theta is actually the cutting temperature Ct. So this Ct नहीं, it means if R is more, जो radius, if this R is more, then this theta will be more or less.
जी. Less, sir.
Less होगी ना?
Yes, sir.
So from this formula, this is just see here. So from this formula, if R is more, then theta will be less, है ना? If T is more, then what happen? Here in this case, the power of T is 0.105, but here also T is there. Okay, so
Yes.
ultimately, if T is more, depth of cut is more, then what happen? This theta will be more. Okay, if BC is more, means cutting velocity is more, then theta will be more. है ना? So from this relation, you can get the information that if means the different role of cutting parameters on cutting temperature, means the different parameters है cutting parameters, उसकी कटिंग टेम्परेचर जनरेट होगी तो उसमें क्या रोल है. ओके, क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So means this formula actually derived by many researchers from means uh, after the research and the study, I mean their experimental and modeling, ऐसे करके एक तो फॉर्मूला ये किया है. So this formula, so from this formula, even from this formula you can also calculate the theta I, means the कितना cutting temperature generate होगी. So from this formula you can also calculate, means if you know the Vc, S naught, T, okay, means all the value, and this is the constant value. So if you know all this value, means cutting parameters, then you will get a means average
Sir.
information about the average cutting temperature. कितना generate होगी. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So control of cutting temperature. So the high cutting temperature is mostly detrimental in the several respects. Means if the cutting temperature is more, so this then this cutting temperature will be detrimental for both the tool and the workpiece. Okay, therefore it is necessary to control or to reduce the cutting temperature as far as possible. Means जितना possible है उतना कटिंग टेम्परेचर मिनिमाइज करनी है. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि अगर कटिंग टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होगी देन दिस कटिंग टेम्परेचर विल अफेक्ट बोथ द टूल एज वेल एज द वर्कपीस. Okay, so how we will control? So this cutting temperature can be controlled in varying extent of the following general methods, like a proper selection of the material and geometry of the cutting tool, means Mainly, this cutting temperature will vary due to the uh, cutting the geometry, cutting tool geometry. So cutting tool geometry, uh, according to the workpiece material, we have to select the proper cutting tool geometry. Okay, because this cutting tool geometry depends so will affect on the cutting temperature. Optimal selection of cutting velocity. So combination without sacrificing means material removal rate. मैंने कितना material removal rate हो रही है, so don't means worry about how much material removal rate हो रही है, but appropriate or optimum cutting velocity यूज करनी है, क्योंकि this optimum cutting velocity affect on the cutting temperature. means, cutting temperature कितनी होगी. Proper selection and application of the cutting fluid. So means proper cutting fluid यूज करनी है. Okay, and the way of application means cutting fluid जो application कर रहे हो, so how the cutting fluid uh, application of special techniques is required and feasible. So uh, so these are the way. So by this way you can control the cutting temperature. Okay. So from this from there are actually one, two, three, four ways are there. One, two, three, four. So among these you can control this cutting fluid. Means this is in your hand. So means you can select a proper cutting fluid and the way of cutting fluid. Say cutting fluid use करते हो. Okay, and other parameter even cutting velocity is also in your hand. Means कितना cutting velocity use कर रहे हो. And the rest of them in cutting tool geometry वो तो tool design की बात है. means तो tool design करेंगे उसके बाद करेंगे. Okay, so in the next class, we'll discuss that how this cutting fluid will uh, how this cutting fluid will apply and how this cutting fluid will minimize the cutting temperature. Okay, so thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes,
sir, I understood this topic, but I am talking about something different.
yes,
Sir, once I have seen in a small workshop, if they are performing, uh, uh, if they are cutting any random material whose temperature and velocity they don't know, sir, I have seen they take a specimen of that material and they perform.
yes. Means in a workshop generally they do not measure the cutting temperature, how the cutting temperature is generated. But in general workshop, sometimes cutting fluid is used to reduce the cutting temperature. Means as much as possible to reduce the cutting temperature in generally the cutting fluid. Means, if special cutting fluid is not is there, then sometimes water they use to reduce the cutting temperature. Okay, I think
Okay, sir. Okay.
all of you have also done that in the workshop during cutting or mainly during the turning operation. It will generate means it was generated and the workpiece and the tool will get the tool was get it heated. So at that time also you have I think used the water to minimize the cutting temperature. है ना? So,
Okay, sir.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.